In the previous videos, we explored the beauty and the power of Pele on the island of Hawaii. But the Big Island's beauty is not limited to just the volcano. The Kona side of the island is home to some of the best seascape terrains in the whole entire world. Seascape photography is a subgenre of landscape photography that focuses on the movement of the ocean waves within the composition. All landscape photographers based here in the islands inevitably find themselves shooting ocean waves. So here are my top 10 tips for shooting seascapes. My first tip is to go during golden hour. We scouted out some drains during the day, and while it was fun to snap a few test shots, we knew we had to wait until sunset to get the best shots. Typically, it's best to shoot into the sun because you get the most dramatic light looking directly at the sun. However, it also helps to shoot with the light or away from the sun in case you get something like this. My next tip would be to use ND filters. ND filters function as sunglasses for your camera. And while the sun is up, there's just too much light to get your shutter speed long enough to get those flowy water effects, without letting too much light in and blowing out your highlights. ND filters reduce the amount of light coming into your camera, allowing you to open up the shutter to about half a second or longer to get those dreamy, flowy water effects. Here's a bonus tip. Long exposures are made easier by putting your camera on a nice, stable tripod.
Alright, here's seascape tip number 3, which is my tip. If you're not getting wet, you're not doing seascapes right. Most of the time, like 90% of the time, if you're gonna do seascapes, you gotta get yourself at least ankle to knee deep in the water, like how we are today. If you're not getting yourself deep enough, then your photos are not going to look as good. Especially the best photos are nice wide angle photos. Oh my god, yeah, we're screwed. We're totally screwed.
God, my tripod is moving.
Okay. Totally screwed. But yeah, get yourself into the water. That's where the best shots are going to be. Plus, it's the best experience overall. Number 1 seascape photography tip is featuring Dream Shot Hawaii, Mr. Ed Kuba.
Don't forget tubbies.
Don't forget tubbies.
Like these.
Wait, you gotta lift them up higher.
Mm-hmm.
Get up to that level.
Oh,
up.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Gotta get that level.
Yeah, tubbies or shoes with nice grip on wet rock. It makes a world of a difference, especially when you're sliding around or you're running away from waves. The last thing you want to be doing is slipping and falling in your slippers.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Yeah. Although, up until this point, I've been doing my seascape photography almost exclusively in slippers. But do as I say, not as I do. You slanted, bro.
Yeah,
you see that?
No, but my head's moving.
No, but your tripod. You see how the weight of it is like this?
Yeah, that's what I'm
If you
holding.
let go, then...
That's why I don't let go. I have
Oh my god.
That's why I'm holding on it.
Seascape tip number 2. Make sure your tripod is straight so that in case you let it go, it kind of just stays there. That way...
Yeah, I don't want to let go of my tripod.
If you accidentally... Oh! There goes your tripod. And your camera, and your lens. That'd be very bad.
Yeah, very.
The reason I bring this up in this particular moment is that the previous day I had set up my vlog camera and had totally forgot to level it out and had an accident that resulted in a broken LCD screen.
Ah! Alright, Mouse, your turn. What's your top seascape tip if you were giving a beginner advice?
Don't think.
Don't think. Can you elaborate on that?
Don't feed it.
look at this. When you're losing your mind and you can't even think, that's when you know the scene is good. When you can't even put it into words. Now I got to go. Peace out.
In other words, don't second guess yourself. If you see something that you like, go ahead and shoot it.
Oh, and be excited. Just be excited. That's another thing.
All right, we still, they're having the time of their lives.
Yeah, you know, Seascape, if you don't get aroused in this
Aroused.
whitewater experience, you're never gonna get that woohoo experience. Yep, you gotta get that.
And in order to get aroused enough, you have to be in the water.
Yeah, you gotta get wet.
Okay, Lemmy, your turn.
Yes.
So you're taking this sunset off because it looks kind of shitty. But we understand that. But what would if you had to give advice to somebody starting to get into seascapes? What would you give them?
Tubbies,
Yeah.
not get close, don't listen to what people say, and make sure you have warranty on your camera.
Oh yes,
Yes.
warranty and insurance,
Yes.
for sure. Especially if you're gonna get close, like how we are doing right now. It gives you that extra peace of mind to make sure that in case the worst happens and the worst goes wrong, like yesterday, that at least you can shoot with that peace of mind, and it allows you to take bigger risks. I get them. Thanks. All right. Okay. So we're gonna ask the Seascape master, Darwin, what his top Seascape tip is. And keep in mind, Lemmy is the wife, so we'll see. We'll see how this goes.
Wait.
We just go cut. We'll just cut it.
Wait, let me think.
He's thinking.
Serious trilogy, cannot be serious.
Yeah, I know, we put the sunglasses on and the sunset is down already.
Of course, keep an eye on the tide.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Use hubbies.
Yep.
And
Oh yes, the key ingredient. That is one thing that I always forget.
Look, Mouse is hanging by his neck. Look at it.
Look at his bib. There you go.
He's all over.
Ed, if you have any more, feel free to chime in, and I'll try to.
but just have fun. You gotta always have fun when doing seascapes. If you're not having fun, that means I don't know what to say.
Then you're not doing something right. Photography should be a fun thing, so try your best to enjoy it. Maybe not that much, but try to enjoy it as best as you can.
Naughty. Very naughty.
No kidding.
Very naughty.
We're learning that really quickly. If they didn't have that idea about you before, they definitely do now. All right, I think that's a good way to end it off, right? With Ed's little action. All right, let's shoot the rest of the sunset and hope we don't lose any cameras. But yeah, make sure you hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe, and follow all of these amazing photographers on Instagram. The links will be in the description below. Except don't follow that guy down there. He's a... Just kidding. Just kidding. And Jaja over there too. Make sure you follow her. Follow her before you follow him. Okay. All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.